Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add columns in Mailchimp. So to start with, you first want to actually create an email campaign. So what we're going to do is go up to the top left corner where it says create, and then we want to select email, and then we want to go down to template. Now I suggest using a template as they will look a lot cleaner, and you can edit some things about them if you decide to. It will give you a good starting point and it will help structure your email. So pick any one that you like down here. There's also these premium ones which look very nice, so I'm just going to choose one of those. Let's just choose this one, and I'm just going to call it email. So in order to actually add columns to this, we want to select layouts, and then here's where we can actually decide the layout. So before we get started on these, there is actually some pre-built layouts. So here's one with image and text, for example. So if we drag that here, we can choose one of these layouts to actually put on it. So if we just want an image on the left, writing on the side, we can pick something like this. So if you change your mind, you can delete it and then go back and drag it in again. So choose whichever one is going to work best for whatever you are doing. So these are very simple to do. Let's say I was going to go ahead and do this one. You just put your main text in here, a bit of description under here, and you can just import your photo here. So you can do that by adding a photo here, by uploading or browsing images. So I don't have any files, however, if you already added some here, there would be some here already. Now you might not want something like this, because we can go back to layouts, and as you can see, we can do our columns like this. So let's just do this 4-piece one. We can put this here, and here's where we can drop our content. So you basically just want to add in these columns or layouts as you like. These layouts in Mailchimp are really useful for creating consistent and visually appealing email campaigns. It also allows you to save your email design so that you can easily reuse it for future campaigns. And you can also use layouts to create different versions of the same email campaign to test different layouts and see which ones actually perform better. So we can just subtly change these things. You might want to switch these two around and to see how it kind of works and see what kind of effect it has. You can add a whole load of content to it, such as text, images and videos, and you can also change the colours, fonts and spacing of the layouts. And then once you are finished with editing your layout, you can save it and use it for future campaigns. So overall, I think adding these columns and having set layouts for your email campaigns can be really beneficial. The main benefits are consistency, so your layouts can help you create consistent and visually appealing email campaigns. It can save you time because it allows you to reuse your email design for future campaigns. This is especially helpful if you send out a lot of emails. It can help you test, because you can test different layouts and see which one performs the best. And it's also good for collaboration, because it can help you collaborate with other Mailchimp users on email campaigns. This can be helpful if you need help with a design, or if you want to get feedback on your campaign. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully now know how to add columns into your Mailchimp campaign. If you do, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.